If you want to connect your Motorola Signature to your PC and if you want to transfer data, the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. In that case, you just want to connect your phone to your computer with the USB cable that, for example, comes with the phone, which you can find inside the box. And if you connect the phone, you might immediately see this menu. And what you need to do is you want to simply choose File Transfer over here. Just like that. Of course, you want to verify yourself, and there we go. Once the file transfer is enabled, you should be able to find the storage of the phone. But in case that menu doesn't show up, what you might need to do is you can go ahead and open notifications, and then here in silent notifications, you can find the notification from Android system. So you can tap on this notification and just make sure that file transfer option over here is enabled. So then you can go ahead and open your computer. You should be able to find Motorola Signature. Then you can go to the internal shared storage, and you should be able to find pretty much everything that you have on your phone, including your photos, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. And you can easily transfer from your phone to the computer or from the computer to your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.